Welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com for all of your mobility needs. We just took in this beautiful 2016 Honda Odyssey conversion van, and I'm about to take you on a tour. But first I want to mention that we offer multiple finance options that allow for quick approval responses, as well as nationwide shipping and delivery services for all of our vehicles.
Introducing this beautiful 2016 Honda Odyssey wheelchair conversion van. This conversion van features a VMI Northstar conversion with an automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. With the touch of a button, your passenger slide door will open and your in-floor ramp will deploy while your vehicle kneels. Featuring a 3.5-liter V6 VTEC engine with only a little over 24,000 miles on it. This fully loaded van offers all the bells and whistles, including leather seats, a navigation system, a sunroof, and much more. Including a driver's side turnout seat to allow you to easily transfer from your mobility device into the driver's seat. For more information on this incredible 2016 Honda Odyssey wheelchair conversion van, call AutoMobility Store at 1-800-431-3183.